Now let's say if I want to copy the column width of column A, you can see it's wider than others. Okay, now I want to copy the column width from here. Okay, if I select any cell in column A and click on copy, then I want to copy the width in column B. So right click here and go to paste special, click on this arrow, and you can see here keep source column width, and if you click here and you can see you just copied the column width of column A and paste it in column B. I didn't take any data with it, I just take the column width here. Okay, you can do this using keyboard also. So copy column B, Ctrl C, and I want to paste this column width in column D. Okay, now if you click here, Alt E, S and W, and then click OK, you can see the column weight has been changed. Now you can do that from your menu bar also. Copy the column and select where you want to take the column weight, and here in the paste under the home tab, click here and select paste special, and here you will find that you will see column weight. Select that, click OK. So this is how you can resize row height and column weight in Microsoft Excel. These are the most efficient ways that I know of. You can use it whenever you want. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, please support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.